On February 16, 1996, a MARC commuter train collided with Amtrak's Capital Limited passenger train in Silver Spring, Maryland, United States, killing 3 crew and 8 passengers on the MARC train. A further 11 passengers on the same train and 15 passengers and crew on the Capital Limited were injured. Total damage was estimated at $7.5 million. An investigation by the National Transportation Safety Board found that the crew of the MARC train had forgotten the indication of an approach signal which they had passed before a station stop and as a consequence could not slow down in time after encountering a stop signal. The crash led to the creation of comprehensive federal rules for passenger car design, the first in the history of passenger service in the U.S., as well as changes to operating rules. The 2-track railroad line between Brunswick, Maryland, and Union Station in Washington, D.C. is owned by CSX Transportation and is known as the Metropolitan Subdivision. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.